Welcome to another epic day in modular technology. I want you to start by double-clicking on MT Tools, and then I want you to go to the Journals folder, and I want you to find today's date. This year it is 4/26/2018. Other years it may change. We are preparing for me to be gone tomorrow, which I showed you in the previous movie, and I'm going to give you 4 things that you can check out. You must check out 1 and 2, 3 and 4 are optional. When you launch these are projects that were created by students I've taught. And I'm showing them to you because tomorrow you're going to be creating your awesome game. I'm going to teach you how to make these cool little titles, and then you can solve the project. So you can see this is Flappy Bird, and it was created by a student, Ethan. This is an awesome game with killers. When you hit play, you can move the bird using the arrows. You can hold him up, and you can use the arrow to move forward, and you just got to try and not get killed. Epic creation, totally awesome, fun to get all the way across, cool little notes to remind you to do your saving of checkpoints, but you can see this is an incredibly fun, awesome Flappy Bird creation. Give it your best shot solving it, but more important is thinking ahead about how awesome you're going to be able to make your project tomorrow. Once you've completed exploring this one, you may close it, and at that point I want you to launch the second one called Final Maze by CR and RB, who were Christian and Rito, and then I made some modifications to it so it's got Harmon on it now. You can see that this one is a fun maze with little balls here that they've got to drive all the way through. Try this as well. When you press the spacebar, one will be the arrow keys, the other will be the ASWD. This one is missing the message to tell you how to do the maze. It's pretty self-explanatory, but it's still a nice touch to add that, which is in the first part of the movies tomorrow. So explore this, see if you can solve it, and then when you're done, you must test out Asteroid, which was created by Garrett back in the day. I'm going to double click to make it fit the screen, zoom out a little bit. You can see that it is when you press play, they start moving, and then you can bring all 4 players in, and then you've got to navigate the asteroids without running into them. Otherwise you lose. So there you go. That's how the alien wins, is when everybody's gone. When you play this game, you hit play and you hit 1 to launch. There is a green alien that is trying to take you out, and the asteroids are trying to take you out. So you've got the IJKNL, which is the alien, against the red and the blue, which are the arrows and the ASWD. And when you hit 1, you're able to launch, and then the green one tries to get the other ones trying to avoid hitting the asteroids. So you can see here now the blue one's out, and I'm just pretending I'm the other person with this, and the alien would have won. It's more fun when there really are 3 of you, because not only do you have the black objects attacking, but you also have the evil alien trying to get you as well. So there you've got 3 awesome projects that you can check out for what you need to make tomorrow. And then also there is the Pac-Man one. If you were in our class during the M-step testing, I've already shown you Pac-Man. If you weren't there, you can check out that 4th one as well. Once you've tried all those and you've got some ideas for what you're going to do tomorrow, you may head to modules. I do want to remind you that tomorrow I demand a screenshot of your attempt. Make sure you're great for the guest teacher, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys create when I get back on Monday.